This film is a case study of how technology company Avrion helped one of its customers dramatically improve their sales and customer acquisition process by integrating their CRM with other business systems. Avrion's customer, Restore Datashred, is the UK's leading confidential waste shredding business and part of Restore plc, a FTSE 250 company. The Restore Datashred management team were looking for ways to make their sales and customer onboarding process faster and more efficient.
It was a very manual process. So there was paper going from one team to another team, there was emails going from one team to another team. So it was all very, very manual.
With any manual process that uses multiple systems, errors can creep in, and the impact can be huge.
Making sure that that information is correct firsthand is very important because it affects the operational side of the business, it could potentially affect the financial side of the business and the customer experience overall. So to ensure that that data is validated and correct, it was very vital to the business.
Like most large businesses, Restore Datashred has a number of separate systems that are business critical and shared across divisions.
For us, we've got two very integral systems, which is our CRM system and our operating system. Our CRM system is shared widely by group, so you don't want to customise that too much. And then our operating system involves a lot of very important things that you don't really want to also mess around with. So the middleware, it was a great solution for us because it's customisable. It could be built so that it works from a user perspective as well as a customer perspective. And it pulls all the right information from the right places without having to customise those. So we found that that was the right fit for what we were trying to achieve.
The Avrion team worked closely with Restore Datashred to fully understand their business processes and design the perfect solution.
So ultimately what we gave them was a middleware, a hybrid middleware solution that is fully integrated with their CRM platform, their accounting platform and also their ERP system. And the premise behind it is all users will use the middleware solution. So as a customer calls in who's interested in a Datashred service, the salesperson is now able to create a quote whilst talking to the customer on the telephone. And the quotation itself is quite a controlled process, so there are flexibilities in what can and can't be offered, and there's authorization rules built into the system in order for the Restore management team to gain control over new contract acquisition.
The Avrion solution also allowed customers to digitally sign their contract, set up payment and access the customer portal. The Restore contracts team also now automatically receive credit checks and other due diligence information. The project has been so successful, Restore Datashred are accelerating their digital transformation with Avrion as their trusted partner.
It has opened our eyes more to what technology can do for us, absolutely. So I think when you start to look at a process and you see the significant improvements it makes, the improvements in productivity, the improvement in data, qualifying that data, it just naturally makes you look at other areas of your business and how you can improve that. And that's something definitely Datashred will be doing going forward, is working on that and making that customer experience and that customer journey a lot more efficient.
So would Restore Datashred recommend Avrion to other businesses?
I'd 100% recommend them. It's been a dream working with them. They have helped us at every point in this process. It's never, I've worked with people in the past where there's a bit of tension and you don't know which way to go, but with Avrion they kind of always help to direct that journey in a way that is working with you as a partner rather than anything else. So yeah, I would definitely recommend them.
To find out more about how the solution Avrion built works, visit avrion.co.uk.